But even here, there is extraordinary variety. In the great island of New Guinea, there are 42 different species of birds of paradise, each more bizarre than the last.
Hello, Fräulein! I am charged! Burn ya! Hang up!
Let's do this.
Right! Left, right, left, right, left, right! Left, right, left!
This is getting embarrassing.
One! Hey!
This forest is so rich that nourishing food can be gathered very quickly. That leaves the male six-plumed bird of paradise with time to concentrate on other matters, like tidying up his display area.
Put this. Move the alarm. No. Take that, and this, and that, and this, and that, and this, and that.
Everything must be spick and span.
Da. To right, to left, right, left. Put this. No. Put this.
All is ready.
I am giant. Kiss me.
Very impressive, but no one is watching.
What's the matter with you? Come to baby.
The superb bird of paradise calls to attack the female. And he has more luck.
Good night, Irene.
But what does he have to do to really impress her?
Got him!
Assume the position.
Got him! Going up. Got him! Got him!
Keep doing whatever it is you think you're doing. Stop what you are doing. Maybe you think you're helping yourself, but you're not. This isn't helping anyone.
You and me, partner.
She retires to consider her verdict.
If you want my advice, you should just lie down in front of a rocket.
Let's do this Texas style.
It's hard not to feel deflated when even your best isn't good enough.
Dag nabbit, damn dagged, nagget, nabbit, daggett! Ah, hell. Incoming! Somehow freaking unbelievable! I need some doggone help!
You will not be missed.
Can't hold them off alone here.